In today's video, I'm going to be using tumbling blocks, and I have 3 different sizes. So the smaller one we all know is from the Dollar Tree, and the other 2 are from Five Below. But I wanted to show the comparison of the sizes. So for these DIYs today, I'm going to use this larger one here, and these are from Five Below. I'm going to show you the box, and you get 63 in this box. These are the largest ones that Five Below sell, and I think these are definitely worth the price, and you have so much wood that you can work with. But you can use the smaller ones and build up to make these projects. These are really simple, just some easy fun DIYs. So I have 2 sets of 9, and I am going to start off by gluing these together. Now, I recommend wood glue. Once again, I am using my Gorilla Glue sticks, and so I'm fine with the hold that this is going to give. But I do recommend using wood glue to get a more permanent hold. So what I'm going to do first is just add the glue and add the tumbling block. And as I mentioned, this is a set of 9, and I'm going to do 2 sets. I'm pretty much making like a riser, candle holder, something really cute, but I'm going to design it in the shape of a couch. And so now that I have my 2 sets, I'm going to take 1 set and I am going to place it right on top of the other one on the edge, make on the end, the edge, making sure that it's flush against. And then I'm going to take the other 2 and I'm going to add them on each end, and those are going to be like the arms of my wood couch. I think this is so cute. I do also want to mention that I am collaborating today with 2 of my sweet friends here on YouTube to bring you some decor using wood, and I'm going to have their channels in the description box below. For these DIYs today, I'm going to be using that early American stain to stain all of these pieces. So I'm collaborating with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May and my sweet friend Kay from At Home with Kay. These ladies are so talented, and I'm always excited to collab with them. Make sure you check the description box below after watching this video so you can see what my dear friends came up with. And if you're coming over from their channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So what I'm doing now is just distressing around the edges using this little file that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And so with this fabric here from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to cut 2 small pieces because what is a couch without pillows? So I'm going to make 2 really small adorable pillows. So I just cut a square out, and then I'm going to fold this and cut this in half. And I wanted to do like some Christmas pillows to make this Christmassy, but I only had this kind of fabric from the Dollar Tree, so later I may find some other fabric and make some more pillows. But for now, we're going to do these 2 small ones. So as you can see, I'm just gluing the fabric together on the opposite side, leaving one side open, and then what I'm going to do is turn it inside out. And the Dollar Tree now started selling polyfill, and so I picked up a few bags. I kind of stocked up on those because I'm not sure if they're going to keep these in stock all the time. So I just poured out some, and I am going to stuff them inside both of the fabric pockets that I created. And then what I'm going to do is just fold it in half almost, and add some hot glue to secure this, just making a little small square pillow. Then I'm going to add a little more hot glue to secure the opening piece and making sure that everything is nice and flush. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. And then I have my 2 pillows. I'm going to style them on my little wood couch here. And this is just like a riser or a cute little candle holder. You can add some different decor. Now, I think it was so cute. I have a spot that I'm going to eventually style these items from today's video on, and how adorable is this? And for my next DIY, I'm also going to be using the larger tumbling blocks for this one. I'm going to do the set of 6. I'm going to do 2 sets of 2s, and I am going to do this set of 4, gluing 2 of them together and then gluing those two sets together just like this. And then I'm going to go and glue my 6 tumbling blocks together. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can use the smaller tumbling blocks and just make these smaller pieces, or you can build them up, or just use some other wood pieces. These are just some fun DIYs, and I thought using these would be great. So once I get those attached, I am going to start assembling all of these pieces together. And so what I'm going to do is add these last 2 sets, and I am going to add those sets right on top on the ends of the 6 tumbling blocks that I attached together. And I'm going to add this on the other end and leaving that space in the middle. And then those 4 tumbling blocks are going to go on top. I'm actually making a little small wood fireplace. So I'm just going to add some glue and press that down. And I'm going to flip it over because that's going to be the top. Now, the Dollar Tree sells other little wood pieces, and I did grab this wood plank here. And what I'm going to do is use that as the base. And I am just going to hot glue my other piece right to the bottom. And I absolutely love this one. I think this is so cute. I love fireplace decor and little fire pits and things. So once I get that down, what I'm going to do now is use that same color stain, and I am going to stain this entire piece. This one is so adorable. It has that rustic look to it. This can be all year round, but eventually I'm going to style it with some Christmas decor around it, but you can kind of keep these up all year. They're so cute. So once I get that finished being stained, I'm going to take my file and just distress around the edges to this piece as well. I like doing that because it gives me that rustic look, and I love my rustic decor. So once I finish doing that, I do want to create my little wood fireplace, my little logs. So I'm going to use this little LED candle from the Dollar Tree, and also some of these little Dollar Tree stems and logs. So I'm just looking for the placement to make sure that my little piece can fit in there. And what I'm doing is gluing these little wood pieces around that LED candle, making sure that I do not cover up the on and off button, and making sure that all my pieces fit inside the little slot for my fireplace. Once I get that complete, that is going to be it. This is how it looks, and I still can turn it on and off, and all I have to do is just pop it right inside of my little fireplace, and this here is so cute. Now with these pieces, I'm going to make a cute little planter, and so I have a set of 4. I actually have 2 sets of 4s, and what I'm going to do is attach these together. Using the larger tumbling blocks just make these projects a little easier, and you can get them put together pretty quick. And so now I'm going to attach 1 tumbling block on each end, and then I'm going to place that second set of 4 right on top. Now, to create the bottom for my planter, I am going to be using another square piece from the Dollar Tree. These pieces just worked out perfect from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add that right on top. It was the perfect size for me, so that's why I was excited to find those in the Dollar Tree. And so now I have that complete. I'm going to stain this with the same color as well, and then I'm going to pull out some picks that I have from the Dollar Tree to style these in. I have a little piece of foam I just cut down, and I am going to add another little piece because I had a little spot there open. And these are the picks from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to clip them down so I can add them in there separate. And I just think this was a really nice high-end looking planter that you can style for the holiday season. So budget friendly. And so I'm just going in, adding my picks. And then I have another pick from the Dollar Tree, the white poinsettias. I'm just going to pull one of those poinsettias out to to style in here. So I'm just trying to make sure everything is nice and full. I'm not going to be adding any filler. The spot is pretty small, so I'm not going to need any filler. And then I'm going to clip off one of those poinsettias, add it right in, just fluff it out a little bit, and that is it. I think this is absolutely adorable. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And remember, today's video is in collaboration with two of my dear friends, and that is May from Craft Away with May and Kay from At Home with Kay. So don't forget to check the description box below to click the link to see what my friends have came up with. Until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.